Hi Robert, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. First of all, I want you to see that this is just a flash of all the Elantras that we've got on our lot. But I wanted to show you a limited since you inquired about one. Now you didn't specify technology package, make no mistake, we've got plenty with navigation as well. But this will give you a brief overview. When you come in the back, you've got the very sporty alloy wheels. You've got the leather interior. Now, when you come up on the front, for your convenience and safety, you've got volume control, cruise control, Bluetooth. I pair your phone before you drive off the lot. Your trip button, it toggles through your back display. This also has a three-way selective steering. You've got CD player, backup camera, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. Auxiliary, iPod, USB. Heated front and back seats. Great for wintertime. I want to tell you though the most important thing, that is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Coward. I am your personal sales associate assigned just to you. My number here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. I want to give you my personal cell, 205-907-4700. Again, my name is Shannon, 205-907-4700. Here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you.